how to return items on Shein. So if you want to return the items on Shein, then here's the simple process. So this is the guide. Shein will accept the returns within 30 days of receipt for most items in the new condition. You are responsible for shipping the return at your own cost. So if you want to make a return, for example, return from Malaysia, if you choose AVX to return your parcel, then you can simply first sign into your Shein account. The first thing you need to do is sign in. Once you've signed in, you just need to simply go with the order. You will have My Orders option. And under My Orders, you can go and click on the Return Item button. Once you go with the Return Item button, select the items you would like to return, indicate the reason, and then submit. And after that, you need to prepare the return items and pack them carefully. Print the attached return label by yourself and adhere it to the outside of the return parcel. Then wait for the delivery courier to pick up the parcel, and it will give you the information like the return label will cost this much, which will be deducted from your refund. Or if you choose the self sending to return your parcel, then you just need to simply sign into your Shein account, and then you can find the My Orders and go with return item and select the item and indicate the reason and then submit and select the return method and refund method. Then pack the items to get the to be returned with the original packaging, and then you can choose your logistics company at your own cost and mail the package. And if you're returning from South Korea, then it's the same process, or other shipping locations, it's the same process. So in this way, you'll be able to return items on your Shein. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.